Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to learn a poem and the title of the poem is The Ice Cream Man. So what happens in summer? Do you like to have tea or coffee in summer? No. We will prefer chilled drinks and ice creams. And coming to water, we would always love to have chilled water in summer because it's too hot. So let us see the poem The Ice Cream Man. The poem tells us the love of children towards the ice cream man. So open your textbooks and turn to page number 4. When summer is in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So, mostly when do we have ice creams? In the rainy season or in the winter season? No, we would love to have this only in the summer season. So, all the age groups people would love to have ice cream. It's not only that only kids love ice creams. Is it so? No, all the age groups people would love to have ice cream. What's happening in the summer days? An ice cream man daily visits our lane or street. So in the scorching or burning heat, he'll come to our streets or lanes moving his cart slowly. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So he visits all the streets and lanes with his lovely ice cream cart. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So, when you hear the sound that he is coming, what will you do? Will you keep quiet at your home? You will run out of your house to buy the ice cream. So, let us see what are the children doing here. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. So what they'll do? They'll run out of their houses to get the ice cream. So they want to see how the ice cream man is filling the cones with the creamy layer of different flavors. So it's very joyful for the children to see that the ice cream man is filling the cones. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So, the cart holder gets many flavors of ice creams, not only ice creams but also chilled drinks of different colors, green, white, pink and ice creams of different flavors such as vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, raspberry and so on. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. So, in this poem, the poet is comparing the ice cream cart to a flower bed of sweet roses and peas because the children love to eat the ice cream. So, whenever they see that the ice cream cart is coming into the lane, they will run out of the houses to get the ice cream. They love to eat the ice cream and they will feel very happy to see how the ice cream man fills the cones with different flavors of creams. So, the poet is comparing this ice cream man's cart to a bed of flowers and roses, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. So, the children are compared to honeybees here because the honeybees, how they would surround the flower to get nectar from the flowers. So, whenever the ice cream man comes into the street, the children will go and surround him like honeybees. So, I hope you enjoyed this poem, children. This poem is about the ice cream man who comes to our streets in the scorching and burning heat to bring happiness and joy on the faces of children. So, this poem tells us about the joy or the happiness the ice cream man brings on the children's face. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. In the next video, we will learn the difficult words and their meanings.